Oh my goodness, I made this much money on my cell phone just by taking a walk? This is crazy. Oh, incoming text. Let's see. Lost his job. Oh my goodness. Hey, you ready to make some money from your cell phone? Awesome. Attention! Do you have a smartphone? Well, you answered yes. Who doesn't have a smartphone? The next question, does your smartphone pay you? You're probably going to answer no. Well, I got good news for you. Our associates are paid every day just to use a smartphone. No boss, no BS, just 100% legitimate opportunity. I'm going to let you hear some real results from real people.
I can't believe it. I am literally getting paid daily working from my cell phone. Amazing!
Hey guys, Deborah Coleman here. Making money from your phone is absolutely one of the best ways to make money. You have your phone with you anyway, why not let it make money for you?
Hey, my name is Fabian, and I make over $1,000 a month straight from my cell phone.
So you want to get paid daily from your cell phone? Well, it's simple. Just register for our next business briefing, and all you have to do is click the link below to learn more. Hurry, time is running out.